Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Mia. This is my dad.
Captain Awesome.
And today we're going to fix, paint, and weld this cross thingamabob. And we're also going to remove this stretchy thingamabob.
Stretchy. Alright. Well, I think we're going to do that, but in a different order. I think we'll clean it before we weld it. And then we'll weld it and then paint it. Because you said we're going to weld it, clean it, and paint it. Just so you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, so the first thing we need to do on that is clean it. So to get a good weld, we need to remove all the paint and grime and everything on that crack. So we can get it to, otherwise the weld won't be very good. Okay?
Yeah.
So grab that wire brush right there.
This one or this one?
Whichever one you want. You could try them both.
This one.
Okay. You're going to clean right where the weld is. Yep. Can't have any contaminants within a ½ inch to an inch of the weld.
Maybe I should try the other brush. Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Need to try a little one.
Yeah.
Work into all the corners.
There you go.
All right, let me see if I can cheat a little with this.
Okay.
See how much we can get this to do. So next we're gonna weld this crack. This is our welder. Okay, first most important thing in welding is make sure you have a good ground, okay?
Yeah.
So grab the wire wheel
Brush?
there on the drill. Yep. You're gonna clean off some rusty stuff here.
Okay.
Stick it right there. Go. Go. Whoa. Woohoo. Okay. Okay, we're gonna clip on our ground wire right there.
Okay.
That's
I'll set this down.
all right, there we go. Okay, turn on our welder. Okay, set our wire speed. Here's your helmet.
What about you?
What? No, you're welding it. Go to town.
I can't see.
All right, I'll get this one. Okay, here.
The welding helmet slips down my head.
What? That's weird. Fits right on my head.
I'll back up for this.
Turn on our gas. Okay. Do a little test here, see what we got. More wire speed. It's not gonna hurt you, just don't touch it, it's hot. Just wire brush it. All right, you're gonna love this part. You have to shake the can of paint first. It helps if you shake your butt while you do it.
No.
Yeah. Or how about you do your, what's that dance you do?
It's called the floss.
Okay.
Or different
Why don't you
version.
shake it while you floss?
No.
Okay.
You do it. You floss and I'll shake it.
How do you floss? How do you do it?
Like that. Yes!
I did it. Now you gotta do it.
No.
What? You're gonna leave me hanging. All right. Okay. Let me show you. When you paint, you don't want to. The most common thing I see is people way too close, way too far. Okay. 6 to 8 inches is about good. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll show you. And you just kind of brush across. Okay.
Okay.
You try it. All right, you got it. Come on. All right, it's all right. You're not gonna hurt it. Just you're getting there. All right.
Did I
Mostly
do it?
painted the shock and the grill, but you got it pretty good there. All right, so just see that? Are you watching?
Yeah.
Duck your head down so you can see. Okay.
Yep.
All right. That's
Yeah.
it. Next step we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this steering stabilizer.
Oh, it's called that?
Yes, that's what it's called.
Oh.
One, it's like it's leaking. 2, you don't need it.
Mm.
Okay? So you're gonna get a ratcheting end wrench. It's probably gonna be a 1/2 inch. You're gonna undo these U-bolts here.
Okay. This side?
Well, that would work, but we're gonna cheat a little bit. And we're gonna do a ratcheting end wrench, okay? Looks like somebody's been in here using my end wrenches.
I wonder who that is.
Okay, so right here, let me see if I need to break them loose or you're gonna muscle it. Other side, sweetie. That's the whole point of the ratcheting end wrench. Okay.
Oh.
There you go. So now muscle it. Come on. Oh my gosh, you got it. Good job.
So it's basically an easier way to do the thing
Yeah, easier way to do the thing.
to beside another. It's basically a 1 and 2 tool. I mean a 2 and 1 tool.
All right.
And I got it.
Uh-oh.
Oops, I dropped it.
Here, I got it.
Tiny U-bolt.
Yeah, see if you can get that other top one.
Help.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's do this. I think this will speed this up
Okay.
a lot. Let's undo your bolts on the other side. Come on, take that.
Whoa.
Yeah, she's kind of heavy. Put on the socket there. Is it not gonna, here, hold on. Okay. Push it in. Come on, baby. There you
Yeah.
go. Okay, go. All right, that was the easy button. What the heck? Why is it not? Oh, come on. There you go. Okay, go ahead and pull that apart.
Come up. And
Okay, so now, here, take that. I'm gonna rotate this around. Oh, good gosh. Whoa, don't let it hit you in the face. Okay, stick your gun on that. Let's see if you can take those off. Okay, the other one. That's gonna be interesting. Okay. See if you can get the gun on that. Caught it right there. Yeah, on the gun. It's a magnet.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now this
Caught
is
right
all
there.
discombobulated. Let's do, what's this called?
Hammer.
Also known as persuader.
Or the beater.
Okay,
I'll get that.
that's got a nice dent in it. It was actually still working. Okay.
Seems like this one's like bended.
Yep. All right. So I think that's it for today's episode.
Yeah.
Welded your cross member thingamabob,
Yeah.
and we removed the.
Stretchy driveliner thing, Bob.
Oh, it's quite the name. All right. Well, thanks for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe and comment, and
Make sure to turn on your alerts.
so you know when we post another video. And
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching.